Could repurposing waste be your company's next big opportunity? The ICL R&D team reached out to CAS Custom Services to find out. As a global specialty chemical company that manufactures industrial agriculture products, fire retardants, food supplements, and more, ICL recognized that finding applications for their manufacturing byproducts would not only be better for the planet, it could transform the expensive waste disposal process into a revenue stream. But finding new applications requires combing through years of scientific literature across seemingly unrelated disciplines and understanding details outside of the team's areas of expertise. To accelerate this process, ICL partnered with CAS Custom Services. By using AI-powered literature analysis on the scientist-curated CAS Content Collection, they identified potential repurposing applications for 75% of their targeted waste products within just a few months. These new applications are enabling ICL to eliminate hundreds of thousands of tons of waste each year, saving the company millions of dollars over the next 5 years. In addition, at least one of these applications will enable ICL to expand into new markets with significant commercial opportunities. See how CAS can help you repurpose manufacturing byproducts or surplus material by visiting cas.org/custom-services.